number one, it's to lose weight or lose fat in the legs in those areas. Best way to do that is nutrition, but we're talking about exercise here. So get your nutrition on point. But exercises, I'm going to say walk and hike. It doesn't need to be any more difficult than that. Weight loss is increased by caloric deficit, which is done with nutrition or burning more calories. Walking is great. Everybody can start by walking. It's simple to do. You start with 20 minutes and then you work your way up to an hour. Once you get to an hour, you might not want to spend that much more time walking. So then I would suggest moving to either running, jogging, sprinting, or hiking. What I love about hiking is the variability. There's different changing of levels, and you're outside in nature, which has a lot of its own benefits. You get vitamin D, you get the natural killer cells from the environment, the dirt. It's a beautiful thing to go for.